Alright, it's on. Scooter, a little bit of scooter and BMXing, a little bit of ramping. Alright.
That was sad. I'm about to really past it. Dude, I'm about to really past it. So you're just like, what's that? Just like grind above it. Try the nose manual. No, forget that.
Try nose menu.
You're not even getting your back to the wall.
Well, like
Try to nollie on here. Okay, I'm gonna try to ollie as high as I can. Jump as high as I can. You jump low.
Huh?
Jump low. Never get that. Should just like BMX for the rest of this.
Oh! Oh! Ah.
Really past it.
Really fast it?
Yeah.
I'm on the bike?
Yeah.
Come on. Almost fell. Oh, can you do a tire skid?
What?
Oh, tire skid, look. I just skid the whole damn tire, look. Look. Front tire skid.
That was kind of horrible. And second.
Look. I'm gonna try a trick right over my phone. Oh, didn't land it.
I'm gonna be careful.
Took the ramp.
Can't do anything good at that. You try.
Really?
Because that was horrible. Okay, you grab here. You grab this.
Oh, one-handed wheelie. That was rough. Try it. Hold on, look. Try one-handed wheelie.
I would if I didn't have a phone in my hand. I could try that right now. If I wreck, it's your problem. Oh, I think I got it.